One thing I find also very interesting is your credit structure. How do you structure your credit facilities? Was that, maybe you tell us more about that. I won't spoil it.
Cashea is a pure buy now pay later play on a consumer standpoint. If you go through Klarna, if you go through Afterpay, potentially Quesky, Aplazo, Addi, your experience as a user will be the same, but for the merchants, different. Imagine 2022, things changed in the venture capital world, in the venture landscape. And Miguel, imagine me potentially pitching Gilgamesh in 2022 and saying, Miguel, I do believe relaunching consumer credit in Venezuela is a great opportunity. You would have rolled your eyes and said, Pedro, it's amazing to meet. Let's meet in a year from now or maybe 2 years from now, but there's no way I'm gonna be pursuing a fintech in Venezuela. So we had to be very creative. And what we did was we worked with merchants because we said to them, are you willing to do the loan yourself? And we will buy back when the first installment goes bad. If any installment goes bad, what we have seen is that 96% are paid in time. So we're only buying that 4% back from merchants, and we reduce that. And we have built, it's more as a software, a fintech as a service, and a credit insurance product, different from other buy now pay laters that they do not only need equity, but they need debt to fund their loans.